What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just see this beautiful face. My name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's Frisky Friday video, I just want to share with you guys that I made a Depop. Now, if you don't know what Depop is, I'm going to put it right here. Now, for me, Depop is basically just like a marketing fashion app. You go on there, you get to basically buy or sell any form of clothing or fashion item that you have, like jewelry, purses, clothing that you've worn, clothing that you've never worn, makeup, any stuff like that what you have. In a nutshell, it's basically just like having an online business. However, this is simpler because you have it in a form of an app where you can also buy stuff as you are selling stuff. Another way to look at it, it is basically just like having an Instagram online store. I have made this Depop for the longest while now. I finally decided that I'm going to start selling stuff on there. Now, for me, I'm going to basically use it as a platform to empty my closet. I feel like, why buy something, then upon getting it, I realized that I don't like it, never wear it, and just have it sitting in my closet when I could just post it on my Depop for someone that is interested to just purchase it. Or what's the point of purchasing stuff for like thousands of dollars that is Jamaican, wearing it like once or twice and just having it in the closet, never to wear again, or just throwing it down, never to wear it again, when I could just put it on my Depop and sell it to someone who is interested. I never really go out, so I always have stuff that I've never worn or stuff that I've worn once and is probably never thinking of wearing again. I have mad insecurities about my body, so sometimes I order stuff online. When they get here, I try them on. I don't really like how they fit with my body. I have no one to give it to because no one that I know is as skinny as I am. So like I said, I've had this Depop for a long while, but I've been waiting to get like stuff to be my background so I can start marketing my stuff for sale. I wanted to get some packaging, some gift bags and stuff, but now that I know that they're on their way, I can start. I'm waiting on stuff that I'm going to use for packaging, cards, and all those good stuff. This is my profile right now. I've yet to start uploading the stuff that I'm going to start selling because, like I said, I'm waiting on my background and those other good stuff. This is just me letting you guys know what's up. What you can expect is like female stuff from me. I don't know if I'm gonna have anyone that wants to give me stuff to sell on there for them, but it is for right now what to expect. I'm letting you guys know that it is basically stuff from my closet. I'm going to put the link to my Depop in the description, so it is a quick way for you to go and follow me on there, so you can be notified as soon as I start posting my stuff. I am not planning to only sell stuff on there because I've been on there and I've seen a few people selling stuff that is really unique clothing, like vintage stuff, and I am a person of vintage. I love vintage stuff. Once I get my background, the stuff for packaging, I will be making another video on my Depop, so you can stay tuned for that as well. But I felt like I needed to just put you guys on my game real quick. I mean, it's 2021. Everybody's going where the money resides. Everyone is trying to get to that bag. So why not? Also, expect the stuff that I'm gonna be posting on my Depop to be like super inexpensive, really inexpensive, because I know what it is like to go online and see something, want it, however it is like super expensive for whatever you're getting. For example, in Jamaica, I've seen online businesses purchase stuff for like 10 USD, and on their business page they're selling it for like 50 USD. That's like a lot of profit, and I always just look into that and feel bad. I always tell myself that if I was supposed to do something like that, I'm not saying that I don't want profit, you know, but that is just sad. But who am I to put my mouth into people's business? I know what I'm doing for mine, so I suggest that y'all go on ahead right now, click the link in my description, follow me on my Depop, and be on the lookout for the stuff I am going to be sharing with y'all. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to use my Depop as my marketing platform to empty my closet. Simple as that. That is it from me in today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive comments. Also follow me on all my social media platforms at AYAFARRR. That is IFR with 3 R's. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.